Hey there, my friends. Check out this heavy duty professional grade umbrella. Now, this is going to be that all in one kit that you need to protect yourself from those hot sun rays. And these sun rays can be deadly in high temperatures, I tell you. But this is also going to protect you from the elements, from rain, from sleet, from snow, from just about anything that Mother Nature is going to throw at you. And this right here, I said this is heavy duty and this is high quality because this is not a magnetic base here. This is going to be that all-in-one kit that's going to come with that big old suction cup here, and that's going to suck right up to any smooth surface. And then also, it's going to have that ground stake right here. So if you don't have anything to suck it up onto, you can just dig it right into the ground to provide that protection that you need. So right off the bat, let me tell you that they sent this to me as a gift because I'm often working out in these elements and I need something to protect me from that hot, deadly sun. And that's exactly what this here is going to do. So I was super impressed when I got that box and I opened it up. That's when I seen this carrying case here. And when I opened up that carrying case, I seen everything that was included inside of this. This is going to have 3 different bars so I can extend this umbrella as tall, as wide as I need it. And then also this umbrella here is huge. This is a 70-inch umbrella. I've never seen an umbrella so big that provides so much protection and it's so versatile. I tell you, I am blown away with this setup and how much I can really customize it to get that protection I need. So it's also going to have that safety orange strap here. And then it's going to have that suction base with all of the attachments. So installation on this is super easy. I'm working out on the HVAC system today, so I had to be outside where the air conditioner unit is. And this suction cup here is going to suck right up to the flat part of that air conditioner. And when you suck this sucker tool up to it, you're going to push that button and you're going to feel it getting tighter and tighter and providing a nice tight grip where that's at. And then once you have that on there, you're going to put the screw in there and then you're going to screw on this first base. Now this first base is amazing because you're able to unscrew it here and then you're going to be able to do this from 90 degrees all the way around, I tell you. So this, you're going to have it stuck on there. You're going to be able to move this bar wherever you need it. And then once you have it where you want it, you're just going to tighten it down. And then this is going to provide a nice tight grip for you to have you right where you need it. And then you're going to put that first bar in. And then this bar is going to come up. And I like to call this the junction right here because this junction here is where you're either going to put your umbrella in or you're going to put that second tube in to have an extension for that umbrella. And then once you have that umbrella in here, you're able to fully customize it some more. So there's going to be a button you push, and when you push it, you're going to be able to turn this all the way around wherever you need it. And then you can tighten and loosen it up to move it up and down. So this is fully customizable how you need that protection. And I am impressed with how high quality this kit is, I tell you. And then also you're going to have this ground stake. Now I didn't use this personally because the ground is frozen outside. We're getting hit with some hot UV rays coming directly from the sun, but the ground is still cold and frozen. So I'm not trying to shove this in there currently, but this is going to be a fantastic tool over the summer. And then not even when I'm just out there working on HVAC systems, but this is also going to be fantastic when I'm camping or if I'm out at the beach, if I'm spending time with family, if I need to protect myself from those sun rays, I tell you, or even the rain. This is a huge 70-inch high quality professional grade umbrella. Now the umbrella head itself is amazing. You're going to have 4 different sections that you can open it up to. And when you look inside here, you can just tell that this is high quality. I tell you, I can't even open this up in here because I don't have enough room. That's how big this thing is, right? But I tell you, I am impressed with this umbrella. And when you have it closed here, you're going to be able to strap it with the Velcro. So it makes it so easy. I tell you, just to pull that strap around and hit it with the Velcro. No more trying to button and unbutton stuff. Bada boom, bada bing. And then you can just throw it all inside that carrying case and move on to the next job. But let's not forget, you're also going to get the sun visor of a hat inside this kit. Now, this is fashionable, this looks good, and this is going to provide that protection that you really need when you're walking around and you're not directly under that umbrella. So they were thinking about all of your protection, I tell you, when they put this kit together, and they have everything included inside of this. So all in all, if you're looking to up your umbrella game, or maybe you're going to be out working under the hot sun, this right here is definitely going to be the route to go. It's going to give you that protection that you need. It's going to be fully customizable for you to move it in any direction, any angle, to block that sun, protect yourself from the rain, the sleet, the hail, the snow, whatever Mother Nature's going to throw at you. And then also you're going to get that ground stake so you can just shove it right in the ground. So all in all, I'm super impressed with this. And this umbrella kit here is just fantastic.